Hey, it's Leslie and Scooter, and this is the Exploding Pumpkin Challenge. I'm so excited.
I'm a little scared.
Okay, what we're gonna do is take these rubber bands and put them around this pumpkin until it explodes. It's gonna take a lot of rubber bands.
All you have to do is comment below on how many rubber bands you think it's going to take. I don't even know where to start.
I'm gonna say 1,000,000.
So we're gonna be here a while. The winner, though, whoever gets the exact number of elastic bands or closest to, is gonna win this box of Halloween
100 candies.
Okay, producer Jacqueline, get us started.
All right, here we go.
Okay. What?
Is it
Oh,
around?
man.
Does that work?
Yeah, that's good.
One.
Okay, now you.
Somebody open a bottle of wine. This is gonna take a long time. Excuse me. That's 272.
Yeah, shots. 340.
424.
492.
492.
It does look like it's gonna go.
Best video. Right? Like right here?
Yeah, it does.
But, or was it always like that? Turn it on and turn it the other side?
No, that's like
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely like when you turn it like that, it's like. Oh! Ah, it's happening!
Ah! Whoa!
oh my god. It's happening!
Whoa!
It was like the birth of a
Look
child!
at this!
Look at all the elastics. Oh my god.
It smells like pumpkin.
Can you see this?
This is crazy.
See?
What
I knew we
number
could
was
do it.
What number was
516. No, you put on 517.
it? I didn't put anything on at the end.
Oh, 516.
516.
516. Whoa. It's a good thing you turned on your phone because I had just killed the camera right there. Holy.
I knew it.
It's midnight.
Good work, team.
Yes!